In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix sound blur on Zoom. If your voice sounds muffled, watery, or like it's being smeared together when you speak, that's often what people call sound blur. It usually happens when noise reduction is a little too aggressive, especially with music, crisp consonants, or certain microphones. The good news is that a quick adjustment inside Zoom can bring back clarity without making your calls noisy. Start by opening Zoom and looking at the microphone icon along the bottom of the window. There's a small arrow, or chevron, right next to that mic icon. Click that arrow to open the audio menu. This reveals options related to your microphone and speaker, and it's the fastest way to reach the controls we need. From that small menu, choose Audio Settings. This opens the dedicated audio panel where Zoom groups all microphone and speaker controls in one place. You'll see input and output levels, and a section designed to shape how your microphone behaves. Inside the audio panel, scroll until you find the area labeled Microphone Modes. This is where Zoom applies processing to your voice. Keep scrolling within the audio section if you don't see it immediately. It may be a little lower on the page depending on your version of the app. Within Microphone Modes, look for Noise Removal. This is the feature that tries to remove constant hums and background distractions, but it can also smooth over the fine detail in your voice and cause that blurred sound. We're going to adjust it so it protects clarity while still keeping things tidy. Under Background Noise Suppression, change the setting to Low. This level keeps basic noise control in place, but it stops Zoom from overprocessing your audio. For most meetings, especially when you're in a reasonably quiet space or using an external microphone, Low preserves the natural tone of your voice and keeps consonants crisp. If you've been using Auto or a higher level, you should notice that your words sound more open and less smeared after this switch. That's it for the fix. By accessing the audio menu from the mic arrow, opening Audio Settings, finding Microphone Modes, going to Noise Removal, and setting Background Noise Suppression to Low, you remove the most common cause of sound blur in Zoom. You're balancing cleanliness with clarity, which is exactly what you want for interviews, presentations, music demos, or any situation where detail matters. Enjoy the clearer sound, and thanks for watching.